If you're trying to connect a Wi-Fi dongle to your TV, the key thing to know is that it depends on the type of dongle and whether your TV supports it. Start by checking your TV's manual or going into Settings, then Network, to see if it mentions support for a wireless adapter. Many modern smart TVs already have built-in Wi-Fi, so you may not need a USB adapter at all. If your TV does support one, plug the USB Wi-Fi dongle into the TV's USB port, then go back to Network Settings and search for available wireless networks. If instead you're using an HDMI streaming device like Google Chromecast, Roku Streaming Stick, or Amazon Fire TV Stick, plug it into an HDMI port and connect its USB power cable. Switch your TV input to the correct HDMI source and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, test it by opening an app like YouTube or Netflix to confirm everything is working smoothly. If your TV doesn't recognize a regular USB Wi-Fi adapter, it likely doesn't support generic drivers, and using an HDMI streaming device is the most reliable solution.